The PS5 Pro is officially out. And all you gotta do is subscribe to my Facebook email bonus series, where you can get access to my daily bonuses for free. Plus, you'll have a chance to win my monthly giveaways. Then when you join the 600 plus Facebook promo group program, you only pay $10. And you'll also have the resale rights as well. Then subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook, because I'll announce the winner of the PS5 Pro on those two platforms. Finally got my PS5 Pro, and I'll be giving this away to a lucky subscriber after 600 subscribers to my YouTube channel. So all you got to do is follow the directions and you could be the winner. This is Ashton from the Super Trendy Moneymaker channel, and I want you to please like, comment, share, and subscribe, especially if you're new to this channel, because I'm about to give you a ton of value. And I have a big update for you, because I just got 2 sales from the Facebook promo group program, and you're gonna like this. I'm gonna show you the traffic and everything, so stay tuned. Guess what? As a major update, I got another sale, and also an upsell as well. As you can see here, $10 for the 600 plus Facebook promo group list program, and the ultimate Facebook marketing guide with marketing resale rights plus bonus sales guide for $27, and all in for the grand total of $37. Right to my PayPal account. It's really cool right there. And the traffic source I used is a safe list, 100% clicks. It's a really good traffic source, high converting, and I highly recommend it. Matter of fact, I'm going to put the link to this in the description so you can sign up for this. Either you become a free member like I am, or a paid member where you get more credits and also more people you can email to within this. So like be marketers just like you, interested in traffic, and that's what this product is all about. It's about traffic, and that's how you sell to these people too. So like when it comes to safe lists, a lot of people doubt safe lists, but it's basically marketers like you, like the one and the same thing. People to basically exchange info for them to promote their offer, and for credits to get more traffic. That's pretty much what it's all about. But if you have an offer that's all about traffic, something that everybody needs, then you're definitely going to get sales with this. This is exactly how you sell to those lists. By promoting to them a traffic offer. And you can definitely make sales like this, probably even $100 or more. And these people are high converting. So I'm not gonna show you the person's name, so I have the list, but also I'll show you on my page my stats, how great this traffic source is. Matter of fact, yeah, this is the page I used. I have it as 100C, and just by one action I got a sale. And the sale I had the last time a couple days ago, I got it from Leads Leap using the free traffic. Isn't that crazy or what? Like literally after 2 actions, boom, I got a sale, which is really cool. So I put this as Leads Leap traffic for free. So Leads Leap, I have it as, I basically track it where I'm doing the free version for credits, where I can use, which I highly recommend to you. And all you got to do is like view people's ads for a few seconds and gain credits. And as you gain credits, right, you want to preload to this and create your own ad. So this is how it's done. you pretty much put your URL, your link to your offer, like this, for example, making sure it's all good. Make sure you can see before it gets approved. You can say, I can see my website, and it'll give you this message. You can put it in the co-op network link. It's another program within Leads Leap. And you can come up with a catchy title that as long as it's 25 characters, and add text like on the subtitle to all of this. And you can put that down. You have 60 characters to that, and add image. And the categories, I'll usually put affiliate marketing, and for optional, I'll put automatic. And then you just preload how much credits you have in here, and it'll just run traffic just like that. It'll take basically within 24 hours, the traffic will be run. And I had enough credits to do multiple ads, as you can see here. And this is another page that I did as well, high performing page. And really happy about this. So with Safeless, I'm actually making these sales. Haven't done anything yet. I've been promoted on Facebook, and I got the potential people who definitely want to join, and I highly recommend you join this, because this is really a hot offer, a hot program to get, because everybody needs leads. If you like what you see and you make a ton of value from this video, and you want to see more videos like this in the future, I want you to please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the link down below to get access to the Facebook promo group program. And without further ado, thanks for watching.